Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account in NightCafe. So for that, go to the profile icon at top right corner of your screen and click on it. Now click on account setting just below view profile option. Now after that, scroll down and when you see delete my account option, just click on it. Now type delete to confirm. But before that, you need to know that all your data and all your creation will be deleted after that. And if you want to log in again or sign up again, you need to contact support. But the new account will not be eligible to earn badges that your old account already earned. So after doing that, click on delete tab and your account will be deleted. So that's how you delete your account on NightCafe. That's all for today. Thank you for watching everyone. I hope you liked our video. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you next time with another tutorial video. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye.